Bruv, there's people inside. Look at the lights.
Yeah.
Look, they're turning off and on the lights to show you there's people inside.
Nah.
She told me, the woman told me they're on the 12th floor. Ooh, people are dropping.
Nah, that's not people, man. That's just debris.
No, wallah, I saw people in the window, bro. Look, I think 3 floors down, there's shadow. Someone's flashing the lights. But they said, the woman was saying they can't get out.